Welcome to Robovedanta. We are a company that is equipping the kids on AI and robotics. Any kids starting from grade 1 can learn robotics from this channel and also take our premium courses that they can have personal guidance from them. But today it's our blinking light program. That's the first video that we are posting onto our channel, and we hope that you like that. The connection is simple, the codes are simple, and I believe that you will enjoy this video and you'll learn how to blink a light, LED light, using this breadboard and the simple things that we are gonna use. So let's catch up. This is our breadboard. So basically, whenever we use any electronic components, we want to build some electronic circuits, we use breadboard because just for testing purpose. Because if we solder it, if we do the soldering, then we have to remove it again and again. So we don't want to do this. So for the basic testing, we use the breadboard. So you can attach some wires onto that, you can attach some components onto that, and it will work. Next is our microcontroller. We are using Arduino Uno for that, and it's the most basic microcontroller for any project. As this is our first video, so we are going to learn about this. In the coming videos, we'll learn Raspberry Pi, Node MCU, and the ESP32 and some advanced microcontrollers also. The next component that we have is a simple LED light of red color. You can use any color light. The longest leg onto that, if you see that, the longer leg is the positive one and the shorter is the negative one. Thank you. Next, this is a resistor, 220 ohm resistor, and this we are using. So if we supply, if the current is more, so the resistor stops the LED, this LED from burning. So we use resistor to like limit the flow of the current that we pass. Now we are using some jumper wires. These are the normal wires that we are gonna put onto this breadboard, and these are all of the components that we are going to use. So starting from the beginning, this is the breadboard that we are gonna use for testing our program. This is the microcontroller. This is also called, you can call it like a brain of the system, brain of the thing. All of the coding and everything is stored onto this. This is the LED, this is resistor, and these are some of the wires. Thank you. Let's dive onto the connection part. So for now, suppose we want to use this LED. So you can attach LED. The longer leg, you must remember where is the longer leg, right? So you can zoom in and we'll stretch it a little so we'll remember it. So as you can see, I am attaching it starting from number 1 where the negative leg is, and number 4 where the positive leg is. Something like this. Now we have to use the resistor onto that. So the longer leg should always use should be included with the resistor, because we don't want our LED to be burned. So the positive one, which one is the positive? As you remember, the number 4, right? So this is a different part and this is a different part, but we are going to connect it somehow. How will we do that? We'll put the resistor onto the number 4 like this, and onto the same row we'll attach onto the other part of the breadboard. Something like this. Great. So the resistor is attached. You can see on the longer leg was on number 4. So we have attached it. It got by mistakenly I did on 3. So we have to do on 4. So we'll attach it onto the number 4. So you can see a straight circuit is being followed. Starting from this pin to this pin. The row is same. Only this division is there. So we are gonna connect this two. Kind of, you can see, you can say this is one leg, this is another leg. So we are connecting using this resistor. Okay, now we have to take some positive and negative current. Now see, first of all, this is the microcontroller that we have. For the negative part, you can simply take a wire, you can attach it here, Now if you attach it here, it will not work because the resistor, these rows are working with the resistor, but these rows are not working because we have not connected them, right? So we'll attach it here only onto this, and as this is the negative leg, so we'll attach it onto the G and D pin, that is also called the ground pin of the microcontroller. G and D means the negative one. So you can zoom in and you can see that this is the G and D, right? First one is V, I, N, the second one is G and D, the third is again G and D, then 5V. So I have attached it onto the second pin, that is the G and D one. Oh, yeah, so it's working, right? And now we have to attach the another wire, that's the positive leg of the LED to this, because this is working, right? This is connected with the resistor. So we can take the positive from here and we can simply put it onto the any of the digital pins. So the digital pin we are gonna use is pin number 8 for now. So this is the connection. As you remember, firstly we connected this pin, the positive, and a resistor went through it. So the channel, all the rows are working. We took a wire from it, attached it onto pin number 8. We took the negative wire and simply attached it to the GND pin, that is the negative pin of it. Now the circuit is completed. Now we are gonna dive onto the coding part of it. Thank you. So this is the code that we are using. You can also go to the description of the video to find this code and you can simply run there. And this code you can see setup and loop. So number 8 we are using, so we have given number 8 as output because the light is an output device, right? And we are doing high, that means on for 1 second, and low, that means off for 1 second. Simply just as you run the code, you'll see the output will be there. The LED light is blinking and the code is working totally fine. Hope you liked the video. Thank you and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.